So it's 2 a.m. and we're heading to the airport for a quick run over on the west coast. We're going to California to minister at a church there. Come on with us now and we're going to see what we can see. California, no doubt about it. Let's go, California, we say. She just start misbehave already. Eh? Can't take her nowhere. She start misbehave already, you know. Trust me.
It's 4:06 a.m. We literally just checked in and now we're in the waiting area. We're in the departure lounge waiting. We have pretty much almost 2 hours to wait before boarding time, but that's fine, no problem. We preferred to get a head start and make sure that we reach and get settled before the traffic starts on the road, and you already know how it is on the highway. Any incidents and it can be a total shutdown, so we preferred to come early. Yeah.
Oh, thought you was talking to
So
somebody.
we here. The big man over there.
Hey.
Yes. So California, eh? Are you ready?
Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. 8. 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Blankets and the Mint experience today. Please leave it on your seat when you depart. We hope y'all enjoyed the JetBlue experience as much as we've enjoyed having y'all on board today. Thanks again for flying with us, and we'll be landing soon.
Them not clap. No appreciation.
Sendtohope during flight. Checked bags will be available at carousel. If you have a receipt that says claim mate gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated.
LA Queen.
California. see that.
Michelle going bad. Especially there, California. All downtown exits. Skyline. Yeah, LA skyline. See, try this. That is it. Santa Monica and San Bernardino and Adams Avenue.
Let's take a spin down here. Oh, this is City of LA in the heart. Huh? Here.
Wow.
And this
Intuit Dome.
Yeah, this is it.
This is the new stadium for basketball. Clippers,
and
Lakers.
Yeah.
That's huge.
It's big. It's
Yeah.
big, Josh. And the parking garage over here. See it here. Oh, it's not finished yet.
They have the walk, the
The
crosswalk.
crosswalk, yeah.
Over there, yeah.
So this is where the Clippers and the gonna be. Nice.
They have a huge parking complex here.
Wow.
And then on the other side, this used to be a racetrack. Hollywood Park racetrack.
So
they-
now them turning
they
as
abandoned-
cinemas.
It's a big complex. Retail, residential, and the big SoFi Stadium
Wow.
is over there.
So up here, down here, so it's like a gentrified and turning like a uptown type of
They
vibe.
did to all these buildings. Because some of these were apartments and little motels.
Wow.
And they, right, so
So putting like a stadium is gonna
like overnight. So here now must be apartment.
All of this is gonna be apartment now. No leased in.
globe stage.
Yep. That is a big one. The sci-fi football stadium. We can't see it properly, but it's there. That big dome at the top, you see it over there.
Well, I'm gonna go up and turn around.
Wow. See that? Over here? Crazy, crazy, crazy.
And up there is the Forum. Original Lakers stadium used to play.
Yeah.
And then they built the new stadium downtown. And they move out and a church bought it.
Are you
But
serious?
they couldn't handle it.
Oh.
They couldn't handle
National Football League.
it. Yeah, see now it turned Kia, bought it.
Kia
That's the
Forum.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go there because the traffic is too heavy. You know, but that's the original Forum.
Wow.
The Great Western Forum where Lakers
You see, the thing with LA now is that the residential is just merging closely with the city and commerce, you know. That's the stadium right there. Nice. That's a big property there, you know. Them play American football
Yeah,
and soccer.
well, they're gonna be playing maybe soccer here for the Olympics. But it's where the Raiders and all those play over here, over there.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Guess this will open up when the basketball season begins next. Down to Mid City, LA.
This is Crenshaw Boulevard.
Featuring a lot of movies.
Every movie we know about feature Crenshaw. Okay.
Along Boulevard, it starts in Mid City and it ends in the ocean.
Yeah?
Yeah, they go all the way up through the hills to the rich neighborhood,
Wow.
and then go over the hill and then go down again. And then go to the Pacific Ocean.
So this is like middle income, these houses, or
Yes,
lower?
yeah, you can, no, these are middle income. You can't afford anything over here right now.
Yeah,
of the
because of
stadium,
yeah.
the stadiums, and then Tesla is up here.
Oh. couple of these buildings look familiar from movies. I'm the Hollywood, the urban movies them, you know.
Yep. So
Traveling on Crenshaw.
yeah.
Wow.
Over on this side they used to have some little buildings and they purchased it of people and they put up apartment buildings.
Wow.
And in the middle of it, it's parking.
Yeah, the parking structure.
And see, before you know it, they're gonna buy out everybody up here and probably put up apartment. Big incentive for apartment because of homelessness and shortage of apartments.
What's the homelessness thing going on in
Terrible.
LA?
Terrible. Around here you don't see it.
Yeah, you have a place of them called Skid Row.
Well, Skid Row is yes, you have a lot down there in Skid Row. That's a greedy part of the city, downtown. But man, if you go down here, you see them also dilapidated mobile home where it's a disgrace when you see it. So these are the ones that a few years they build these and they start over there now.
So that's the end of this vlog, guys. We're gonna do more as we go along. Let's see if we can take on LA. Big up on yourself, member.